Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we have to find the value of x and y and thereafter state all the angles of this cyclic quadrilateral. But before we go on, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so right away. Click on the notification bell so that you get updated from time to time about my activities on this channel. To solve for x and for y and eventually getting the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral, we know of a fact that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. This simply means that the opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle BAD, which is x, when added to angle BCD, which is x plus y, they must give 180 degrees. That is, 2x plus y will be equal to 180 degrees. Then we can make y the subject of this formula by writing that y is 180 minus 2x. We can call this equation 1. Then still for the fact that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, we also have angle ADC, which is x, added to angle ABC, which is 2y minus 30. This also add up to 180 degrees. That is, x plus 2y is equal to 210 when we add 30 to both sides. This making equation 2. Then we are going to substitute for y in equation 2. That is, equation 2 becomes x plus 2 times 180 minus 2x, which is the value of y from equation 1, and that's equal to 210. This is x plus 360 minus 4x when we distribute 2, and that's equal to 210. Then x minus 4x gives negative 3x. While 360 taken away from 210 gives negative 150. Dividing both sides by negative 3, x is 50. That's 50 degrees. This 50 can be substituted into equation 1 to get the corresponding value of y. That is, y is going to be 180 minus 2 times 50. Y is going to be 80. That's 180 minus 100. Therefore, we have the values of x and y. X is 50 degrees and y is 80 degrees. The next thing is to state all the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. The angle BAD here is 50. Likewise, angle ADC is 50. Angle BCD, which is x plus y, will be the sum of 50 and 80. That's 130 degrees. And angle ABC, which is 2y minus 30, that's 2 times 80 minus 30 is also 130 degrees. Hence, the conclusion is that angle BAD is 50 degrees. Angle ADC is 50 degrees. Angle ABC is 130 degrees. And angle BCD is also 130 degrees. I believe you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave your comments, thoughts in the comment box. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Till I see you in my next video, say thanks for watching this video. Bye.